The following is the latest technical analysis in crypto news from Amassers.com.
You're about to get some good advice, but it's not financial advice. Check the disclaimer. Traders, there's a war going on right now in the financial markets. The days of listening to influencers, following narrative hype, are dwindling fast. You're going to need discipline, battle-tested strategies, and the proper tools. That's why I'm about to show you guys how to draw a proper trend line and some of those proper tools in the following video. So let's get it. Okay, now I want to cover something that's really simple but can be really powerful, and it's going to help you to stop trading under the influence, or at least I hope so. Because the fastest way you can lose money online is by listening to influencers. I don't like people driving under the influence. I certainly don't want you trading under the influence. It's very bad for your wallet. Okay, let's talk about how I draw my trend lines. Okay, you got your own way, it's cool. You looking for some good advice from someone who's been doing this profitably more than 2 decades now. Okay, well, I got something for you. Here we go. I believe this was last week. So I go here and I'm looking for aggressive price action to the upside, and then I'm looking for aggressive price action down. I wait. I look for that same aggressive price action again. Okay, now I've got my 2 points right here and right here, and there's where I put my trend line, and I just let it flow. Okay, until we're on the other side of this trend line, my bias is negative. I'm going to show you a lot. Okay, this is Alfred from the future. I'm now on the day after Thanksgiving, and you remember that line we drew in the sand? We're consistently down below this trend line, and trend lines are available on about every charting software. Now, when we start to break out and move up, now we can be biased to the upside. But I have no faith in this because it's the end of the month surprise. Just like I talked about November the 17th on my Twitter. That's all. Okay guys, we're over here on my site. My brother and I run this site, Amassers. This is our crypto screener. We're looking at deviation levels for Bitcoin, but I want to show you guys the screener section down here. I want to mention that sometimes I'll come in here, I'll click this, I'll save snapshots of what's going on in the market, especially when there's a lot of action like it was on today. Lots of action to the downside. Let's just pick out some things. What do we have here? We only have Bitcoin Cash to the upside on today. What's the breath looking like? Is this market was closing, there was still 21 of the currencies we track, and they're all going to the downside. Okay, unusual activity to the downside. Now, well, let's talk about why I save these. This is Bitcoin Cash. I've mentioned this in another video. I just think it's the branding. You know, there's Bitcoin, and then there's Bitcoin Cash, and one's trading around $500, and one's trading still at over 80k. Of your novice, where you going first? Maybe Bitcoin Cash will be the one to pick up next. So you go here and you buy. I've seen a little action recently in sectors. If you like to trade sectors, I've seen. Don't mind that. That's not babies, cause there's always guys saying, well, you're not looking at the babies. That's cats in my background. They're ready to eat. Okay, especially one of them. Now, sectors, let's look. Privacy coins have been popping off lately, and you can tell that when you save these, You're going to see things like Zcash was doing very well recently. And I recently done a short on the history of Zcash because I think it's important when you're going out here. You want to get involved in crypto, you want to get involved in any of the other asset classes, you need to understand what you're putting your money in. You know, I want to empower guys and not just, no one can help if you're influential, but I want to make sure you're empowered with good data. That's one tool to help you again with that objective view of what is going on in the market. The thing about trading that's beautiful, guys, is when you can actually learn to be honest with yourself and what you're seeing, your interpretations are going to get better and you're going to find your way to that money. Okay, now let's go look at another tool. Again, the ability to be objective. What is the largest crypto we see here? Bitcoin. Second largest on this crypto tree map, again available free on our site, Ethereum. Let me point something out. Some of these are dark, some of these are light. Okay, every time you see dark iterations, like right here on Bitcoin, if we draw a line from 1 to 100, this has to be below 38. Every time you see a dark green iteration like we got over here on Bitcoin Cash, we have to be somewhere above 63% of that line that I drew from 1 to 100. But you'll also notice a lot of these USDC on this over here. You got Tether. When you see in a lot of flight to stable coins, that means guys are on a risk off position as far as crypto is concerned. I'm just throwing a lot of these little simple ideas at you guys because this is how professionals trade. And guess what? Everybody wanted institutional action. Everybody said blah is great, blah blah, it's great, institutions are coming in. Guess what? That means the complexion and the mechanics of the market are going to change forever. And hey, it's cool because they're very predictable. Institutions want predictability, want consistency, and all that means is you have to learn to dance like these guys dance, okay, if you want to stick around. And so since these guys are in this market now and running it, that is where we are. Okay, once again, this is Alfred for Amassers.com. I hope I've shared some good info with you guys. I hope you're not too mad at me for being the messenger, okay? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Like, share, comment, subscribe. If we've helped you, please help us by sharing this content with others. Peace.